What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. At Novice's place right now, we're gonna go to Vivid Motorsport meet tonight in a few hours time. I think it's like a little pizza meet, and then we're going to a cruise to the mountains and then to the highway. So it should be pretty damn awesome. Just looking around Novice's little work shed here. It's pretty insane. It looks pretty much like a mechanic shop. No joke. There's so many parts in here. Let me show you around a little bit. See what's the latest and greatest. Yo!
Yo!
What's going on?
Hey, good.
It's like a mechanic shop. Like, there's more tools and more crap in here than a real mechanic 100%. Shop. Holy crap.
This is a real mechanic shop.
Dude, you got like how many tools you need? You got 3 like massive drawers over there. Oh my god.
Do you know how many times a 10mm fucking socket goes missing?
Well, how many 10mm sockets do you have in there? 16,000?
Like 6 sets.
Oh my god. That is hilarious. And you have, what the hell? A whole drilling, machining thingy-majiggy thing. I don't know what that was called.
It's all happening. It's all happening here.
What do we have here? We've got the Supra with no engine.
Let me ask you a question, Ted. Do you see anything wrong here? No. We got no windows, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No, it's not.
I thought Johnny Tran was running.
Where's the engine? Wait, where's the oil? Please bring some oil. We'll get that engine out.
Oh my god. Wait, is this the new 2JZ?
40 weight. That's mixed engine.
Oh, that's mixed engine. Oh, yeah. just another engine lying around.
It's not a casual engine.
Yeah.
I was saying, well, and this one, and this one, and this one, and that one.
That's the 30 for the GDR.
Oh, that'll be 30.
26 out of the GDR.
Oh wow.
That's the blown 2J. That's a 1UZ.
Oh wow, man, you got more engines than a engine shop.
Sure.
We've got UZs galore.
Sure.
Oh my god. The question is, when's the Supra coming back on the road? Da. Wait, didn't you say it's gonna be on the road next week?
Yeah, most likely.
Oh.
But I don't want to
Keyword most likely, don't forget.
I don't want to get anyone's hopes up. Especially mine.
So we say most likely, so that way if it doesn't happen, you're not as sad.
I know, I didn't lie. I'm not liar.
And that's the thing.
No liar. Okay.
Okay.
In the GDR, what's going on there?
She's asleep.
Sleeping, eh?
Yeah, sleeping.
For good.
Actually in a coma. In a coma for a long time.
How many crankshafts do you have, mate? What is going on here? New heads, valves, another head. Wow. What do you have underneath there, mate?
It's always a surprise.
That's funny. This looks pretty cool. Is this freshly painted?
Yeah, powder coated.
Oh, very nice. And this is Mick's new conrods. No. Wait, that's not the new one. This is the old one. This is the wait, is this the one that you bent, is it?
Yeah, that's how most of them came out from the blown engine.
Ah, so that's the bent one.
So it wasn't just the one that let go. They pretty much all look like this.
Oh wow! Oh wow! And then this is the second one that they bought, and now this is the latest and the greatest.
Yeah, so I went from one to the next, and we're going with this.
That is pretty sweet. That is a bit bigger, eh? A lot bigger.
A lot bigger.
A lot bigger. That should hold the power, that's for sure.
Yeah, shouldn't bend. So shouldn't bend.
No more bend gate.
No more bending.
That's it. Even though where are we going right now?
We're going for a coffee and some food before the cruise.
Yes. Give me out. Wow, Eves, you actually gonna wash your car?
Yeah, we actually Mom's
Holy.
gonna wash my car, but I only washed it like a few times since I got it.
Holy crap.
Wash it, but you can wipe it.
You're actually gonna wash it?
Yeah.
Wow. This is a rare occasion, maybe like once in a month it gets washed.
Yeah, I'm not big on washing anything.
Yeah, who can be bothered these days?
Sure.
I don't know, what happened to your money, man? What's going on?
What do you mean?
Took a cash.
Freaking machine ate my $5.
Fuck, man. Fuck. Just put in $5, took the cash, just ate it. Wow, this is a rare sight.
This is a very rare sight, even for my own little one.
We might have to screenshot this and post it up because we're not going to see it again.
It won't happen. And something kilowatts right there. Hey, you want to see what 400 kilowatts looks like in a Skyline? Yes.
Right there.
Ooh.
Big piping.
Fully built. And apparently it's reliable for like 2 years straight.
Are you serious?
2 years straight. I like how it's black. That looks fucking sick.
Coming with us?
8 minutes, man.
Yeah, I'll come with you guys, man.
It's getting too scary.
It's getting way too scary, man. Fuck this shit, bro.